do, 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 do. Music time is here.
Hey, thanks for being a part of our virtual concert this year. Here are the instructions for recording your performance. First, download the MP3 from the email sent to you from Mr. Weed. Number 2, get your smartphone out and be ready to record in portrait mode. It looks like this. Have headphones and plug them into something that'll play your MP3. Here we're using a laptop computer. Next, get your phone ready to record video in portrait mode and then press play on your MP3 playing device. Hold one of the headphones up to the mic recorder on your phone and hold it there for 5 seconds. Now put it back in your ear and listen to the track and be ready to sing along. When you've finished your performance, go ahead and email it to me. All right, have fun, and send me an email if you have any questions about this process.